Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save automatically the photos and the videos that you have taken on Messenger or that you have received via Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on settings at the top, scroll down and tap on photos and media. And here you can see the save photos and videos feature that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side next to it, thereby automatically saving pictures and videos that you take or edit to your device after you have sent them via Messenger. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.